Hello, we're coming to you with a story that's sure to feed your thirst for knowledge. Delicious. Water, or H2O as the scientists call it, covers approximately 70% of our planet, and without it, all life on Earth would cease to exist. So, how do we ensure human development doesn't dampen the quality of this precious resource, making it undrinkable? We cross live to Alex Batty, who's doing some water quality testing to find out.
Oh, what are you guys doing? Oh, no. We're not testing for chemicals here. Trust me, you do not want to test that water. Whew. Let's head on out to the test site. Meet Dr. Martin Labadz. He's the scientist who's going to help us make a splash into the world of water quality testing. Dr. Martin, just before we get testing, why do you have to monitor the water quality?
What we're doing here is monitoring the water quality because we want to see the effect of the peri-urbanisation on the water quality.
Whoa. Hold up, Alex. The what?
You know, peri-urbanisation.
What in the world is that?
The urban sprawl, what they call people moving out in the periphery of the big cities, and big areas are going to be sealed, and we are testing what the effect of that is on the aquatic environment.
Thanks for clearing that up, Dr. Martin. So, what are the effects?
Sealed surfaces in large residential areas, they accumulate a lot of nutrients and a lot of chemicals, and with each rain event they are washed off, and they usually end up in the aquatic ecosystem, in creeks, in rivers, and we want to make sure that those levels are not exceeding the standards that are set up for a safe environment.
Keeping the aquatic environment at safe levels means some serious sampling with all kinds of tricky technology. Martin, there's a lot of sort of gadgets set up in the water, and I guess testing it for quality is a bit more than just dipping a toe in it to test temperature.
Definitely, Alex. As you can see here, I'm using a swing sampler to take a water sample from the creek here. The swing sampler helps me to get a water sample away from the creek bank and 10 centimeters below the surface, because that's where the evaporation of the water happens and where we can lose some of the key indicators of the water quality.
Yeah, so we get all the nutrients down below the surface.
Exactly. We also have a multi-probe meter which has attached a pH meter that measures the acidity of the water. We measure the turbidity of the water. We measure the oxygen of the water and also the temperature of the water.
And this isn't the only place you test, right?
We have two locations. This location here acts as a control. It sort of represents the undisturbed, the pristine environment. And further downstream, after a small village, we have another sample location, and that sort of acts as the trial to see the effect, if there's an effect in the water quality from urbanization and from the urban environment.
Once he's done some crazy chemistry with the samples, Dr. Martin sends them off so the results can be used to help protect our aquatic ecosystems for a long time to come. In the meantime, though, all that water testing has really whet my appetite for a fresh glass of H2O.